Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Crypto Corner. My name is OJ, crypto analyst and investor since 2015. Today I'm going through the top coins in my portfolio, altcoins of course. I will talk about 10 of the coins that I'm currently accumulating or already have accumulated in my portfolio. I actually have way more than 10, so I will have to spread my portfolio over a few episodes. But today we're going to start with the first 10, so stay tuned. Let's get started. Alright everyone, welcome to another episode of Crypto Corner, the video podcast where we talk everything crypto related to help you navigate safely and easily in the crypto space. You've been asking me about the coins that I have in my portfolio or that I'm currently accumulating, so let's get started. Well, the first one on my list is Matic. I talked a lot about Matic on the channel lately. Chances are you already know about it and why I actually like it. If you missed my previous videos, late last year I picked Matic as my top choice for 2023. So it makes sense that I mention it as the first altcoin in my portfolio. It's also one of the only 3 altcoins that I kept throughout the bear cycle. The other 2 were exchange tokens that I actually need, like BNB and CRO. I use Binance and Crypto.com exchanges and their debit cards, so I had to keep their tokens. CRO made me substantial losses throughout the bear market, but luckily BNB outperformed even Bitcoin, so it was a good one to hold. I have reduced my bag of BNB though. I used to hold around 100 of that, but since the fun surrounding Binance and BNB's weak performance lately, I kept only 30% of that and the rest I spread across other altcoins. But back to Matic, the bullish trend is going to continue over the next couple of months, with Polygon setting March 27th as the date for their zero-knowledge Ethereum virtual machine to go live. This is a big upgrade to Polygon and one that is already causing a very bullish momentum that is not going to fade away anytime soon. So naturally, I increased my bag of Matic on the back of this news. I also talked about this a couple of episodes ago, so hopefully you watched that one. Make sure that you're subscribed and catch my episodes as I post them, peeps. I give you news about upcoming events that you can use to your advantage. Although I would never tell you to buy a coin. It's not my place to give you that advice, but I share with you what I'm doing and what works for me. Hopefully this helps you make some good choices along the way. Alright, next one on my list is ADA. Cardano. Well, this is a very popular blockchain. I hardly need to discuss it here. You can refer to my video about Cardano if you don't know what Cardano is about, so we can swiftly move on to the next one, which is Aave, easily the most prominent and well-known decentralized lending system that allows users to lend, borrow and earn interest on crypto assets, all without middlemen. It's running on the Ethereum blockchain, and the most famous feature of the platform is probably the flash loans. These can be instantly issued and settled. They require no upfront collateral and happen almost instantly. The Ethereum network creates new blocks every 13 seconds, so an Aave flash loan takes place in that 13-second period. The flash loan works like this. A borrower can request funds from Aave, but they must pay back those funds and a 0.09% fee within the same block. If the borrower doesn't do this, the entire transaction is cancelled, so that no funds were ever borrowed. As a result, Aave doesn't take a risk and neither does the borrower. However, this has allowed for some abuse, of course. Flash loans have been combined to execute attacks on lending systems built on Ethereum, sometimes successfully, sometimes not, but stealing hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of deposits in the process. Nevertheless, Aave is one of the most successful DeFi platforms out there and certainly one that will continue to perform very well throughout 2023, so it is in my portfolio already. Alright, next is a token that is not very well known yet, Fund. This is the token of CD5, which is a community-focused launchpad and blockchain gaming incubator that's designed solely to support blockchain gaming projects. This platform wants to be the future of play-to-earn crypto gaming, which is a big sector, which is why they're acting as a launchpad for any type of blockchain game. Token holders and investors who use CD5 gain access to initial game offerings, IGOs, and initial NFT offerings, INOs, available via the CD5 launchpad. This means that investors can use their funds to support gaming projects that have yet to be released. When users play video games, they can earn tokens and in-game NFTs as rewards. Over the past several years, the play-to-earn model has been widely adopted for blockchain games, which is partially due to the immense popularity of the NFT-based game Axie Infinity. S-Fund is still very much underwater and has a long way to go on the upside, and I think this year will be really good for this project, which is why it's in my portfolio already. Okay, moving on to the next one, also a gaming project, Gala. This is an Ethereum token that powers the Gala games, a platform for blockchain gaming. The token is used as the medium of exchange between Gala games participants. For example, it can be used to pay for in-game items. Apart from Ethereum, the platform has also partnered with the Polygon network and has successfully bridged to BNB chain with the P network bridge dApp, allowing players to send and trade their tokens at reduced gas fees. Many of the Gala users are running nodes, which is mainly due to the rewards they get, but I don't care for this. I prefer to have my tokens liquid so I can trade them at every price jump or dump. For me, this is more lucrative than locking or staking my tokens for lengthy periods of time, through which the token could drop in price significantly, thus making me losses. This goes for any token I hold. I just don't care for staking or even yield farming that much. Even if it pays 20% or 30% APY, that's 30% annual. I can make 30% in a day or in a week easily. So many times we see these 20-30% pumps that happen in a short space of time, then the price pulls back and sometimes goes into a long dormant period while it's trading sideways and nothing happens. It's better to keep my tokens liquid, sell them at the pump, and then I can reaccumulate again at the pullback, or maybe I would choose to put the money in a different token that has better chances of going up in the short term. Anyways, next one on my list is TWT. This is the token of Trust Wallet. If you're not using Trust Wallet yet, what are you waiting for? Grab the link from the description below and download it. It's my top wallet right now, besides hardware wallets. It's non-custodial, meaning you're in full control. You have a seed phrase, and being part of the Binance ecosystem, it is fully integrated, meaning I can easily withdraw my coins from Binance to Trust Wallet without even leaving the app. I don't have to enter my wallet address. There is a button there that takes me straight to the correct page, and all I need to do is enter the amount that I want to move from Binance to my Trust Wallet, thus avoiding any mistakes that people often make when transferring tokens from an exchange to their own wallets. Trust Wallet became the most used wallet during the December panic, when everyone rushed to take out their assets from exchanges, and subsequently the TWT token saw a huge price appreciation in the process. This is why I added it to my portfolio. I don't hold a large amount though. I put around 2,000 in it. This is usually my minimum. As you see, it's the only one so far that has a green chart over the course of a whole year, which is a good and a bad thing. Good because it shows strength, but bad because it means you're not buying it at a big discount like with most of the other tokens in my portfolio. Of course, it's better to focus on tokens that are still in the red, undervalued, and with a huge discount, like this next token, which is CQT, the token of Covalent, a decentralized data infrastructure that enables users to seamlessly access blockchain data that is otherwise inaccessible. While blockchain data is public, acquiring it is time-consuming, computationally intensive, and it requires a technical skill set. Covalent positions itself as a no-code solution, which means no specialized costly developers or complex queries should be needed to retrieve the specialized blockchain data users require while building their projects. The CQT token stands for Covalent Query Token. It is a proof-of-stake governance token with a maximum total supply of just 1 billion tokens. That's not a big supply, which is good. And the price is still 92% down from its all-time high, so we're talking big discount here. It's the smallest cap token in my portfolio too, and one that very few people know about, so it's got a lot of potential if you ask me. It's not available on Binance. I buy it on KuCoin. If you're not using KuCoin, it's a great exchange for small cap, lesser known altcoins, so grab my link from the description and join it. You will need it for many of those small cap gems in the future as well. Okay. Next one on my list is Lido. Lido is a liquid staking solution for proof-of-stake blockchains, aggregating node operator partners who run the underlying validator infrastructure on the Ethereum and Solana and Terra blockchains. It's one of the best performers for the last month, greatly outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum and most of the altcoins out there. So, if you don't have Lido on your watch list, what are you doing? Well, I'm not saying you should go and buy it right now, but at least place it on your watch list, guys. It is a really strong project, very strong token, and also Lido is the top protocol in total value locked according to DeFi Llama. The latest statistics here, definitely a very strong indicator. Okay, next one on my list is Ocean Protocol. This connects data providers and data consumers in a blockchain-based marketplace. It's an innovative model, relies on tokenizing data assets and data services so that data providers can easily and efficiently monetize their data, and consumers have access to an ecosystem of valuable data in one convenient place. Data providers create ERC20 tokens called data tokens that provide access to data that can be purchased with Ocean tokens. This is the Ocean protocol's medium of exchange that is also used to provide staking rewards. The chart is looking good. It is forming this noticeable cup and handle formation, which is bullish, so don't sleep on it. This is actually on my watch list. I am still accumulating. I haven't actually got a big bag of that one. Okay, and at number 10, the last one on this list for this video is Litecoin, a very old and well-known coin. For those who forgot about it, this is a fork of Bitcoin. It's very similar but a little bit faster than Bitcoin and with a bigger supply. It's not exactly a groundbreaking token, but the reason why I jumped back into this token is very speculative. Litecoin, much like Bitcoin, goes through a halving every 4 years, and the next one is coming very soon, 24th of July to be precise. I expect its price to go much higher in the run-up to this event, so naturally, I'm doing a buy the news, sell the event type of trade here. Last time I was in Asia throughout the last bear cycle, Litecoin was having its halving again, and I remember making some really good profit on it between January and May. If we get a repeat on this, I will be very happy. I don't intend on holding it after the event though. This is by no means a long-term investment for me. Just saying. One of our sponsors is Token Metrics. I chose them to be one of our partners specifically because I use this website a lot in my marketing analysis and research. If you want to know when is the right time to enter a position on any coin or token, and more importantly, when to exit, because this is really the difficult part. There are loads of metrics here to help you with that. This is one of their new tools that helps me analyze the market better and spot the right entry or exit points. As you can see, it gives you a green signal when the market turns bullish, meaning we are in an uptrend, and the red signals indicate when the market has turned bearish. Thus, exiting positions and preventing losses becomes really easy with this tool. There are so many tools that you can use. Here's another one, the out season Bitcoin season indicator, that gives me a very good idea if it's time to diversify into outs or should my focus be on Bitcoin instead. There is no need to be a back holder during a bear market. I think by now that much is clear. And with this tool, it's a no-brainer. They provide in-depth data and stats on all cryptocurrencies and a lot of new upcoming projects, launches and token sales too. This is where I find unknown gems before they hit the mainstream, and I particularly like their emails with detailed breakdown on technicals and fundamentals on the projects that they research, and their expertise in this field is second to none. You can also customize your portfolio and track your P&L day to day, and you can create separate portfolios for different exchanges that you use to monitor your progress in the most efficient way. There are so many categories to choose from when analyzing the markets, way more than I've seen on any data aggregator website, so you can really advance your analysis and improve your investment strategies. I've been a premium member of Token Metrics for the past 2 years, and I'm using it on a daily basis. They send us emails, host webinars and podcasts with technical analysis, and they go deeper into their research of new projects or current market conditions. I find this really helpful in my own market analysis, as they give me a hint to things that I might have missed or overlooked otherwise. They offer a trial period and you get a 10% discount and a free ebook with my link, so go check it out, it's in the description below. Alright, well, these were the first 10 tokens from my portfolio. In my next video, I will give you the next 10, so stay tuned. Make sure you follow, enable notifications and show your support by leaving a like. and a comment below. Let me know which are the tokens in your portfolio. I'm curious to know, and while you're here, just pick another one of my videos, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.